Today we are showing you a front pull-through braid with micro braid accents. It is about a 10-minute style. We are starting out with a deep right side part, and then at the back of the crown I'm going to make a part from that side part all the way down to the ear. I'll put the rest of the hair into a ponytail except a small section off to the right where my braid will end and connect to. From here, I'm going to take this front section and part it into half. You are going to have 6 ponytails, so it's easier to do 3 and 3 in my opinion. You get them a little bit more even if you do the first 3 and then the second 3. So I'm using a little bit of water and spray gel, and we're going to start adding our ponytails. You're going to add the ponytails in the middle. And while you're parting the hair out, make sure to comb the front out as well as the hair back behind it. You want to comb the hair back behind it before putting it in a ponytail because it will get rid of unwanted flyaways in the current ponytail that you're working on. So here I've got 3. Now I'm going to take my second section down, wet it down, a little bit of spray gel, and then comb it through. And we are going to do 3 more sections at this point. So I'm using rainbow colored elastics to get a fun feel. As you can see, the elastics kind of poking through on the first picture that I showed you. It just gives it a little pop of color. It's really fun. So here is my last ponytail, number 6. From here we're going to start a normal pull through braid, but I am not going to use the first ponytail for now. I'm going to start with ponytail number 2. I'm going to split ponytail number 2 in half, bring it around ponytail number 3, add it to ponytail number 4, and then I will pancake out the sides or lightly pull out the edges to give it more volume. Then I will take ponytail number 3 and add it to ponytail number 5 and do the same thing. Add an elastic and then pancake out both sides. Make sure to cut those elastics out at the end of the night. Don't try to pull them out. It will cause breakage. So here we have ponytail number 4 going down to ponytail number 6. I've done tutorials on pull through braids before, so you probably already know how to do this one, but we're going to add a fun little accent. So once I'm out of ponytails, I'm going to take ponytail number 5, bring it around number 6, and add an elastic back behind it, just because I want one more pull through. Again, we're going to pancake out this section, and then we are going to come back to that very front ponytail that we haven't used yet. I'm going to split it in half, and then we are simply going to do 2 3-strand braids. You want the braid to come down to that bottom section where you've tightened that last elastic on the pull through. So I'm bringing it all the way down, and then for now I'm just going to loosely secure it in an elastic because I need to do one more braid. Again, you're going to braid all the way down until you get to the bottom of the pull through. These braids are damp with a little bit of spray gel to help minimize the flyaways coming out of the braids. From here I'm going to add both of these braids to the bottom ponytail and bring it all together. And then I'm going to add this section to that little right section that I left down underneath. This is just going to anchor your braid so that it's not flopping around. And then we're going to pull out these braids a little bit so that they come around the pull through braid a little bit better. Let that ponytail out and kind of wrap the hair around so you cover up that bottom portion. And here is a final spin of our finished hairstyle. It's a fun little accent to a pull through braid.